So it's been a little bit here. It's been a long winter and I haven't had this camera out for a minute. A lot of shit going on in the world, so I haven't really gone around to making a video. But today we will be checking out what I got in this bag. I got a new fun device, and I'm gonna take it out and check it out. So what we got here is, sorry, I'm trying to get the whole thing in the shot, and my head's a little out, but I got a Umarex Komplete PCP Airgun. I picked it up at Walmart. They can be less than $200 for one of these guys. This one's brand new, right out of the box. So I actually have, this is my second one that I got. The other one had something happen to it, so I didn't get a chance to make a video on that, but I just picked this one up. But they come with a little scope attached, well, not attached, you gotta put it on, but today I plan on sighting this in a little bit. I have a little pest control issue, which is why I purchased it. Well, something happened this winter and now have an infestation of rats, but so we got this scope here, not terrible for what it is. Picatinny attachment. They come with these guys. I don't know if it's focusing. 4x32. Got the little adjustments. But this is the actual air rifle. And I actually put this, I put the scope on already onto this, but it has a little built-in moderator on the muzzle, the end of the barrel, and it is honestly quite a beast. It's a 22 caliber, claim to shoot alloy 22 caliber shots, or pellets, like I think they claim 1050 FPS, so pretty powerful for a 22 pellet gun. And they take, these ones specifically take the Nitro Air, so it's nitrogen compressed into a canister. You should get like 50 plus shots out of this. It's a regulated rifle, so each shot contains the same amount of power until it runs out. But they also make a conversion kit to convert this this rifle to full PCP. Yeah, just screws in up here and you let it rip. Comes with a 10 round magazine right here, and pops in on the side here, and then on the opposite side you have a lever that comes out. Cock it, push it forward, and shoot. A little safety on the trigger as well. And yeah, not a bad PCP gun. The other one I had, I enjoyed until I broke it. Took out a few rats with it. But this, I'm going to be sighting this one in. I'm going to take the scope off and just for the heck of it, I will put on this awesome Temu night vision scope. It's an infrared scope. Hopefully I can get it and it'll maintain a 0. But I don't know, this thing was like $50 or something from Temu. I charged it up. It does view in infrared, and it has a bit of a zoom to it, but not a hell of a lot. So I figured it'd be pretty perfect to use with this air rifle, just for taking out some rats in the backyard from, I won't be shooting more than like 100 feet probably, but see how that goes. It's got a SD card slot for video as well, and you can take pictures or video with it, I believe. But yeah, so we'll put that on and we'll get that going. I do have multiple pellets as well for this guy. Throw a little bipod on it. And this does have like a little bit of M-LOK on the, you can attach some M-LOK attachments to this if you so choose. I'll probably put my bipod a little farther up here though. I have an actual barrel bipod attachment. So, well, lights behind me just went out, motion sensor, so my lighting just got a little funky, but so that is the Umarex Komplete.